Super melty, cheesy grilled cheese on keto in the diabetic diet? Yes, please. Here's one of our keto diabetic diet staples. I lost 100 pounds in the last year. This is one of the main meals that I would make to be able to get along the journey.
So today we're going to be making our favorite diabetic diet or keto grilled cheese sandwich. So you need to pull your favorite soft keto white bread. Now this is one that we've used. There are several out there that are really, really good, that are pretty soft. So you're going to get your favorite one. We're going to go ahead and take butter, and you're going to have melted butter for one side of it. And then we're going to go ahead and throw that inside of the pan. All right, we're going to make sure that we get the next one ready to go for the top. On the top of the bread, we're going to go ahead and put some Swiss, some cheddar cheese, any style that you like. Go ahead and spread it out evenly. And this is probably going to be controversial, but we also like to add that old school single on there for that old school taste. And then on top, we're going to go ahead and put our buttered bread and go ahead and close this up. We're going to let that cook until it's done. Make sure it's clamped down so it makes your sandwich. And we're going to get our extra cheesiness ready to go. All right, we've got some nice grilled cheesiness ready to eat. Super gooey, melty, cheesy deliciousness.
Super melty, cheesy grilled cheese on keto in the diabetic diet? Yes, please. Thank you so much for enjoying the recipe. If you have not already gotten a copy of our Scared of Needles, How I Lost 100 Pounds in 1 Year, please make sure you check the link below to get yourself a copy. It got me to get my A1C regular, lower cholesterol, lower blood pressure, got rid of fatty liver, obesity, and of course, no longer diabetic. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.